Dear children, let's discuss the back exercise of lesson number 1 about computer. First of all, let's discuss self-evaluation points. After reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that a computer is an electronic machine. Do you agree? Yes. We agree that computer is an electronic machine. I know that all the computer's physical parts are called hardware. Yes, we agree with this point. I know that the set of instructions given to a computer to do work is called software. Agree. I know that a computer works on input, process, output principle. Agree. I know that the characteristics of a computer are speed, reliability, versatility, storage, multitasking, and diligence. Yes, we agree with this point. I know that a computer can be used in many tasks such as creating documents, learning, playing games, etc. Agree. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. First, physical components attached to a computer are known as hardware. So, all the physical devices that are attached to a computer are known as hardware. Second, microphone is an dash device. Yes, can you tell me? Microphone is an input or an output device or both? Microphone is an input device. Why it is an input device? Because it is used to store audio in the computers. Third, the device that gives the output on a paper is called, yes, it is called printer. Fourth, dash is used to transfer data from one device to another. Now can you tell me if keyboard, CPU or pen drive, which device is used to transfer the data? Yes, pen drive is used to transfer the data from one device to another, or we can say that from one computer to another. Exercise B. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing them. It works very fast. Number 2. What is hardware? All the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware. You can touch or feel the hardware. Number 3. Name any 4 hardware devices attached to the computer. So dear children, monitor, mouse, keyboard and printer are the 4 main hardware devices attached to the computer. Number 4. What is data and information? So, data is a collection of raw, unorganized facts and figures that includes words, numbers, sounds, and images. And the meaningful and organized form of data is called information. When this raw data is converted into meaningful and organized form, then it becomes information. Now, number 5. On which principle does a computer work? So, computer works on the principle of input, process, and output. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. All the physical parts of a computer are called hardware. Number 2. Dash is an example of a software. MS Paint is an example of a software. Number 3. The working speed of a computer is very. Yes, the working speed of a computer is very fast. Number 4. The results given by a computer are always correct, or we can say accurate. Computer never make any mistake while doing calculations. Number 5. Computers are used to play different types of games. Now, dear children, exercise D. Name any 4 characteristics of a computer. So, 4 characteristics of a computer are speed, storage, reliability, and multitasking. Exercise E. Write any 4 uses of a computer. So, the 4 uses of computers are creating documents, buying and selling things online, playing different types of games, and listening to music. Exercise F. Find the true or the false statement from the given statements. Number 1. You can touch the software. False. We cannot touch the software, but we can touch the hardware. Number 2. MS Paint is a hardware. False. MS Paint is a software. Number 3. CPU does all the processing. True. All the calculations or the processing in the computer performed by CPU. Number 4. All the physical parts of a computer are called hardware. This is true. Number 5. A computer cannot store the data. No, this is false. Computer can store the data. Number 6. A computer works on IPO cycle. True. Computer works on input, process and output cycle. Number 7. You cannot create a document on a computer. No, false. We can create documents on a computer. Number 8. A computer can store large amount of data. That is true. Exercise G. Application based question. Your sister Megha asks you the uses of computers in different fields. Explain her some of the uses. The few uses of the computers are creating documents, playing games, buying and selling things online, listening to music. These are a few uses of the computers. Now next is the fun activity. Try to find out the name of other machine that also works on the IPO process and write the names in the space given below. Now, for example, juicer is a machine in which we input fruits and then juicer processes it and make juice, and then the output is juice of that fruits. Now, can you give some example of the machine in which we input the material, input the things, then it process and then gives the output? Yes, we have an example. The machine is toaster. And what we input? Take the bread as the input. Then we make toast and then output is the sandwiches or the toast.